Hi friends, welcome back to Shomax channel. Today I am going to color on Imagimorphia coloring book, and the pencil I am using is Staedtler. It's 24 colors set, and I have posted 3 more videos of it, and if you haven't checked them those, I'll leave the link in the description box so that you can go and check. Well, this is the page, and today I'm going to do this octopus, and I just want the image to be get popped out, so I'm using these two colors, that is yellow and black. Already I have done this combination over here, so I feel like this is popping out, so I prefer to do this. Oh, I'm really sorry about that. I didn't check that camera has covered this part or not. I'm really sorry about this. But the same technique I have used over here. Okay. Oh, even now, this part. Now I'm going to do color on this water part. Yeah. Well, for that I have picked the dark blue and the light shade color. This is the two color which I have picked. Let's see how it comes out well. Yeah. Actually, I'm a bit confused because I don't know where to start and where to go, but still I'm just trying to make sure the picture has to comes out well. Let's see. Yeah. Actually, I'm not an artist or a student. I just love to color, so I'm trying my best. So the remaining I will be doing in off camera, and once the water part is completely done, once the water part is completely done, and I will be doing these few things. And in this video, in this picture, I'm not going to do any background work. I'm just going to leave it as it is. So let's see how it comes out. Well, as of now, I'm not that much satisfied about this water. Let's see once it is completed how it looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also, click on the notification button so that you will be get notified whenever I post a video. If you have any suggestion, please leave a comments in the comment box. Yeah, and this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Until take care. Bye.